Class 7 NCERT Chapter 17 Question 8. Why should we worry about the condition and issues related to forests far from us? Answer. The first is a decrease in forests result in an increase in carbon dioxide content in the atmosphere. This results in global warming. The second point, depletion of forests in soil erosion. The third point, decrease in forest adversely affects the lives of animals living in the forest. The fourth, absence of forest leads to flooding more often. The fifth, due to the reduction of forest land will turn barren, which is called desertification.